mother humper. You're going down. Watch and learn, boys. I'm the best shot in the world. Ready? Oh. Edit that part out. That's what you get, you mother humper. There we go, baby. There we go. Nobody has anything on me. What the crap? Look at this. 91 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to be 104. 104, 104, 99, 93, 93, 95. Man, I remember being a kid and my grandpa would take me and my brother down here to fish. Man, that was a long time ago. That had to have been like 20 years ago. Boy, it's hot. It's hot. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining because winter's gonna be here anytime soon. Ah, so peaceful. I hope this thing doesn't cave in. Doesn't look the greatest. I thought it was moving. Oh, it is moving. Crap. Come here, fishy, 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 fishy. I got a treat for you. Oh, what happened to you? Look at this. Look how big this is. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. 90-degree temperatures. You can't stop ThrockRocket. Woo, it's getting hot. I'm going home. Man, there is nobody out here. Well, there's a few people playing golf, but it's just too hot. It's too hot for the normal person. My legs are getting spicy from this heat. Like the heat from the bike. Yeah, spicy. That's a good word. Wow. Wow. Hey, at least I'm getting my vitamin D. Baby, you're so spicy. You're so spicy. Can you tell me why? Why do I feel like a woman today? Hey, hey. Oh, jeez. Oh, my goodness. I gotta stand up. Hurry up, go. I gotta stand. Oh, yes. Yes. AutoZone, yeah. That guy looks like Dan. Weird. Not the car, but the person. Anyway. Come to AutoZone. We have unbelievable prices, and we'll get you the right part that you need, and we'll even put it on for free. Come to AutoZone. Yeah. Damn. They should hire me to do their commercials. I can make sales. I can definitely make sales. When a man loves a Suzuki, there ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm trying to hit it from the back. Oh. This is how I sharpen my shoes. Man, it sounds good in here. Hey guys, slippery when wet. This is the view. How boring. Alright guys, 10,000 likes. I'll go on that water tower and I'll stand on top of it. Alright? 10,000 likes. I know damn well it'll never reach it. That's why I said it. Exit. Alright? What are you looking at? Wonder what happened. Wonder what happened. Guys, I am not showing you that video of what I just seen. Nope. I ain't doing that to you guys. And I ain't the type of person to put that crap out there. This for sale, $1,000 as is. It's still running. Interesting. Hey, I'll trade you the bike straight up. Boy, it's hotter than a ball sack in August. Why does it look like it's gonna rain? On my, I checked the radar, and there's nothing around. So, hopefully these are just clouds. Because, guys, I'm seriously tired of rain. I'm tired of rain. We've had a lot of rain so far, and I'm tired of it. I just wanted to say, hey, thank you, goodbye. I didn't know what else to say. Guys, remember the other day? I was telling you guys about this. Look at this. It's like a horse with a tire. Like, I don't get that. Do you guys get that? If you guys get it, put it in the comments. Like I said, I don't understand art at all. I can't wait to make the mating call shirts. I think they're going to be pretty fly. Pretty epic. Look! A John Deere mower is what I need to mow my lawn. I'm tired of push mowing, guys. I'm getting old, I guess. I don't know. Hey, look! That's a sign. There's another one. You don't ever come across 2 John Deeres for sale on the same road and like 2 blocks from each other. Nice, nice! Hi, bud. How are ya? How are ya? Good, good. Oh, geez. I feel something coming on. I can feel it in my system. It just happens. My mating call. I'm sorry, I don't know what got over me there. What's up, bro? Kind of startled me there. I didn't even see him. Huh.
That's a 1000 or 750?
It's actually a 750.
Really?
Yeah.
That was nice, man. I like the colors, man.
Yeah, I like it too. Sounds good though.
Yeah, it does.
What?
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I watch that shit all the time.
What's up, man?
Nothing much, just chilling.
That sounds good.
Thanks.
I like that.
What? Just cat back? Full? The kid that owned it before me put a... No, you're not supposed to say that. You're supposed to say I. Oh, hell no. I hate that shit.
That sounds good.
I'm gonna get a new one soon. It's gonna be Corsa.
I'd leave it like that.
Oh, it's gonna be louder.
Sounds badass.
I actually just took the rims off this thing.
Did you?
What'd you have on it? Don't tell me spinners.
Hell yeah, dude! Sorry, gold ones.
I'm gonna get spinners for this.
I guess
I'm sure I have.
Oh yeah.
they were kind of spoked rims. That's what I like. I watch your shit all the time. I'm like, hey, there he goes. Hey.
Okay.
And there goes a cop.
Is there?
No, I just kidding.
Oh. Yeah, that sounds good though.
Yeah, it does.
He spent 500 bucks on a 636. How does that even happen? How does that even happen? Lucky guy. If you're watching this, brother, nice to meet you, man. And the guy in the Mustang, nice to meet you too, good sir. 4th of July. Love it. $2.65 a gallon. I know some of you guys up in Canada and other parts of the country, you guys pay a lot more for gas. I remember, I think it was Arizona. I was in Arizona and the gas prices were over $4 a gallon. I was like, oh my goodness, screw that. And that was just regular unleaded fuel. Nuts. What happened to their windmill? Flamingo Flats mobile Flamingo Flats. Huh. It's odd. Hey guys, check this out. Fun fact. Hutchinson, Kansas has one of the largest grain elevators in the world. I think it's like number 2 or number 3 largest. I really don't think about it because I live here, but look how huge that is. What's this? Oh, it's a squash skunk. Say that 3 times fast. Squash trunk. Squash skunk. Squash skunk. Squash skunk. Huh, wasn't too horrible. Okay, it's time for an Instagram picture. If this is the one I'm gonna use, I got a couple. Okay, let's get out of here. My goodness, my pants are so tight because of the sweat. Yes, I got a delivery. Bay number 1, all right. Bay number 2, all right. Going back up here. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I'm done. Someone's gonna come by and be like, what the heck is this guy doing? Huh, 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 huh. Oh, 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 ah. Where am I? Today I actually washed my bike. Man, this thing was dirty. get on there. But now, she's looking pretty clean. Just a little off-roading here. Just enough to get over. There we go. Oh, something hit my helmet. Alright guys, I do appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it for whatever reason, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And always remember this, my friends. Always stay positive to yourself. And always think positive. Peace!